Audi, and Quattro. The two names are nearly synonymous. Quattro is the badge that for 35 years has carried us to this point. Our legendary all-wheel drive system revolutionized what was possible with driving dynamics in a mass-produced vehicle. As soon as it was released, our cars dominated the rally race circuit, and Quattro continues to lead the industry to this day. And while Quattro has evolved in the years since, there is still room for improvement. Today we are introducing the most radical evolution of Quattro since its inception, now with improved energy efficiency. When we announced the new Quattro with Ultra technology, fans and the press had, let's just say, concerns. But to understand the need for efficiency in all-wheel drive, we must rethink how all-wheel drive benefits us in the first place. All-wheel drive's sole purpose is to increase traction by reducing tire slip in various situations. Up to 90% of the time, we typically drive in conditions where two wheels propelling us forward will not slip, therefore no benefit. And even in those times when cornering or hitting a water puddle would cause slip, the need to have that traction gain usually lasts mere seconds before the situation returns to normal. Many on-demand systems have a poor reputation because they take up to 2 seconds to fully engage. They reduce speed or engine output and stay on long after they're needed, which negates the benefit. Quattro with Ultra technology was designed in-house by Audi engineers, works electromechanically, and can be fully engaged in under 250 milliseconds, or 8 times faster. A series of worm gears, pins, levers, and springs engage and disengage a unique front plate clutch to divide torque between front and rear as needed, while a rear claw clutch connects and disconnects the prop shaft and rear wheels for maximum efficiency. 250 milliseconds, while nearly imperceptible, is still time elapsed for tire slip to occur. But Quattro with Ultra technology uniquely solves this problem as well. Sensors monitor situations all over the car, such as wheel slip, cornering speed, engine torque, and more. All of this data is processed by a computer that is running simulations every 10 milliseconds, calculating what traction will be like 500 milliseconds into the future. For example, during a turn, the inside tire will be the first to lose traction. The system analyzes the driver's behavior with the turn, throttle, and wheel to calculate what torque and traction will be 500 milliseconds later. When it determines torque will exceed available traction, the system engages Quattro in half the time before it's even needed. Even in the most extreme situation, where no amount of prediction would be possible, such as hitting a water puddle from asphalt, the sensors can detect slip so early, there is virtually no perceptible difference from a traditional system. The threshold for Quattro engagement adjusts based on what driving mode you're in, or off-road mode puts it into the same full-time all-wheel drive as before. While Quattro was already efficient compared to the competition, Quattro with Ultra technology is more energy efficient than its predecessor without any loss of benefit. The all-new Quattro with Ultra technology. Efficient all-wheel drive has been redefined.